Is Plus500 legit? Have you used Plus500 before? What was your experience? Feel free to leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. Plus500 is a well-established online trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and broad range of financial instruments. It allows users to trade in various markets, including Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices. But the burning question remains, is Plus500 legit? Plus500 operates under strict regulatory oversight, which adds to its legitimacy. The platform is regulated by several major financial authorities, including the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CYSEC. These regulatory bodies are known for their stringent standards in ensuring that platforms like Plus500 adhere to rules that protect investors. One of the biggest reassurances for traders is that Plus500 is listed on the London Stock Exchange and is part of the FTSE 250 index, which adds another layer of credibility. The platform also employs industry-standard security measures to safeguard user information and funds. Many users appreciate the platform's intuitive interface, which makes it easy for beginners to start trading. Plus500 also offers a wide array of trading instruments and provides leverage, allowing traders to amplify their positions. The platform has a demo account feature that is popular among beginners who want to practice trading without risking real money. Another significant advantage is that Plus500 doesn't charge commissions on trades. Instead, the platform makes its money from spreads, which means users aren't hit with hidden fees, and they can see exactly what they're being charged. While Plus500 has many positives, some traders have reported negative experiences. One common complaint is about the spread being wider than expected, especially during volatile market conditions. This can impact profitability for day traders and those dealing with high-volume trades. Another frequent issue reported by users is the withdrawal process. Some traders have experienced delays in getting their funds, which can be frustrating. While this isn't a universal complaint, it is something to be aware of, especially for those who prioritize quick access to their money. Additionally, Plus500's customer service has received mixed reviews. Some users have reported that getting issues resolved can be slow, particularly when dealing with more complex problems. In conclusion, Plus500 is a legitimate and regulated trading platform that offers a wide range of trading options and features that appeal to many traders, especially beginners. However, like any platform, it has its drawbacks, particularly when it comes to spreads, withdrawal processes, and customer service.